Hey guys, we finally got our skid steer in, set up to the mulcher. A couple little tests going on. All is working out so far very well. A little bit of the dealer, our local dealer, got that head design set to this machine. A bit of a chore. Appreciate them. A lot of work involved to make it work and tuned properly. She's running like a charm now. It's an NB machinery head, KBX 180, fairly large. Definitely need high horsepower, high flow for these heads. So time will tell. We just tested it out today, out here locally, on my property actually, just to see. Everything seems to be very good, very strong, very aggressive. Hopefully this works out well. Skid steer, she's a big machine, I tell you. She's definitely in the top tier of these size wise. 115 horsepower, very large, heavy. Time will tell. It seems to be an excellent design. She's got the slide up window in the front. I'm not sure why not everybody does do that, honestly. We'll get some reviews, some hours on it. Only went and did a kind of a little dirt job for it, driveway job with it yesterday. Kind of break it in, get some fuel through it, whatnot. First impressions, awesome, very comfortable. Cab is excellent. Another Kubota engine, this sunward. Like I say, we got to get some hours on it, run it, get some mulching jobs done with it to get a feel for the mulcher and performance of the machine overall. Use these specs and whatnot on this head. Yeah, very anxious to get some seat time, review it, run it, all that good stuff. Like I was saying, flip up window in it, full digital display, backup camera, all that good stuff. Flip down levers, not over your head. AC appears to be working awesome actually in this machine, even with it mulching today. It's not extremely warm, but warm enough, and the AC is keeping up with no problem, just on low fan, whatnot. Machine's really comfortable, honestly. The ergonomics appear to be excellent. Like I say, with a little more time in it, you can get a better opinion, which we'll give you guys. The head, well designed, like the steps to get on and off. Very good. Obviously it's quite large, so definitely need it. Works like a charm. The old SWE 60 UF here as well. It's out. We just put the head on it. It's got a mulching job to go to tomorrow, maybe into Monday. We'll see how it goes. We got to put an edge on her teeth. A little bit of grease on the head itself before we load her up to send her off to a little job tomorrow here. Anyways guys, we'll try to keep some more content coming. We'll see this thing comes up, maybe pros, cons, the goods, the bads with this equipment. Like I said in previous video, we got some couple years in that excavator now. It's been doing very, very well. Couple minor, very minor things. We had a hose issue. There was an actual recall. They changed some of them on the in the hydraulics. Turned out awesome. The support was great. Our local dealer up here here in Northern Ontario has been exceptional for getting it done and keeping us going. Like I say, it really wasn't nothing major, very minimal stuff. I don't care what brand you get, you're always going to have something that pops up, in my opinion, here and there, no matter old or new. Anyways, we'll try to throw some clips in there of us testing that little head today, or little head, sorry, the skid steer with that rather large head, honestly. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and try to keep some stuff coming for you. Thank you.